Hey friends, welcome back to my channel on Ferils Mad World, and this is Feril. Well, I'm so excited because I'm going to introduce you to the most talented man of Ethiopia. He is the man who has made aircraft. He is none other than Biruk. So let's get started. Meet this man. His name is Biruk Bekele. He is just 26 years old who has done mechanical engineering from Volta Sodo University. He is such a talented man that since childhood he was very fascinated with electronics and he fixed all the things in his house. His interest and passion for it made him do wonders. He designed and manufactured cabbage slice machine, which he displayed in his own university and received a wonderful recognition for his work. This did not stop here. His dreams were big. His dreams was to reach higher than the sky, and so he worked harder day and night and made his first handmade aircraft. Never ever let anyone tell you what you can and what you can't do. Prove the cynics wrong. One only receives recognition when they have imagination, because sky is the limit.
I made my aircraft from some aluminum and stainless steels that are locally available in my country, Ethiopia. And now I have finished around 70% of my home built lightweight aircraft. Now I have finished runway taxiing process and I am preparing for my first in the history of Ethiopia flight test.
Wow, that's fantastic. So Biruk, can you tell us that how are the things available? Did you have to pay for the things or you just got it from the scrap? Can you tell me more about it?
It's difficult to find some materials here in Ethiopia, but I have tried my best and I got the materials locally and I got some from outside countries by some peoples like you. I got some supports due to that I have reached now for the perfect runway taxiing process.
tell me, Biruk, more about your plane. Now, do you have, what do you say, license for it? Would you be able to fly your plane?
Now I got my license from INSA. Now I am waiting only safety equipment. After fulfilling safety equipment, I will make it fly in real.
Wow. So, how much time will that take?
I don't know. If I got now, I will.
Where you have to fill up, and how does it work? Is it easy for one to make a plane and then it is ready to fly?
It is difficult, but I have tried my best. I do a lot of finite element analysis in computers when I design. Then each and everything is done by me, as you know. If I got some supports in other sectors, it will be perfect like other aircrafts.
So let's talk about the problems that you have faced. Like, what are the problems you are facing? Because after you have made your aircraft, what things are you facing? Like, the things should have been done earlier, or the paperwork. Can you just tell me more about it?
Here, especially in Ethiopia, in developing country, it's difficult to find some equipment and to get some funds. Financial problems are the most in difficult things I have faced when I am building my home built like aircraft. Also materials, as I told you, it's difficult here to find, but I tried my best to do best aircraft in unmanned aerial vehicles.
So would you be making Boeing 777, 786 or something like that kind of?
Will be.
Do you have your plans?
The name will be changed to Ethiopian's name.
Yes.
But I will manufacture as a wheel of gas. We will do it.
All the best, bro.
Thank you so much for it.
That's not it. This brilliant guy has not only made airplane, but he has also tried his hands on making drone.
Let me tell you, friends, that I know this guy from quite a long time, and he was in need of a battery for his drone. And I said, okay, when I'm traveling, I will buy it for you. Yeah. And that is how he was able to make his drone. So yeah, can you tell me more about drone?
My drone or tactical unmanned aerial vehicles are now perfectly flying in land perfectly. Now it will be used for civilians or military purpose. For
wow.
Perfect use.
I don't have a drone, so can I buy it from you?
Yes, you can.
And what about the licensing?
You support means a lot of materials like a battery and controls are supported by you and your relatives. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. So this is the talent of Ethiopia, and we want more people like Biruk to come and to shine in this beautiful country.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this video. We need more talented people like Biruk to come out and to make this country beautiful. And I appreciate each one of you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched my video, you have liked my content, you know what to do, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Signing off for now. Bye.